The DEWALT screw gun kit DCF620CM2 is a high-performance tool designed to deliver fast and efficient screw installation, with a special emphasis on ergonomic design. One of the key features of this screw gun is its slim nose and removable shoe, which allows easy access into tight corners. The screw gun has a lock-on feature for quick installation of collated drywall screws and a full 360-degree rotation, enabling users to choose the best positioning for each application. The tool-free screw length adjustment with detent marks and the fine depth adjustment provide a consistent screw installation at varying depths. The DEWALT screw gun kit DCF620CM2 also includes a tool-free spring removal for easy cleaning of the attachment and a release button for tool-free attachment and removal from the screw gun. With a review score of 4.7 out of 5 and a price of $379, this screw gun kit proves to be a reliable and cost-effective solution for both professional and DIY users.